Chào các con, cô là Phương Thảo. Hôm nay chúng ta tiếp tục luyện 4 kỹ năng tiếng Anh qua cuốn sách Stardust. There is grace. There is grace. There is grace. Grace? Yes, Grace. What's her name? Her name is Grace. How do you spell? Yeah. Grace. 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 Oh, so nice. Where is she? Grace? Where? Oh, she is sitting under the tree. Under the tree or under the table? Grace is sitting under the tree, not under the table. Is she sitting under the tree? Yes, she is sitting under the tree. What she's doing? Let me see. Oh, she is reading book. Reading book? Yes, she is reading book. Is she listening to music? No, she isn't. She isn't listening to music. She is reading book. She loves reading book. Does she love reading book? Yes, she does. She loves reading book. She is sitting under the tree and reading book. Does she love skateboarding? No, she doesn't. She doesn't love skateboarding. She loves reading book. And you? What do you love? Me? Oh, I love reading book. Grace loves reading book. And you love reading book. That's right. That's the end of the lesson. Bye bye. See you later.